Hello, traders, and welcome back to Newtonfx Academy YouTube channel. I go by the name King GK. If you're new to the channel, guys, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And on today's video on this daily market insight, we will take a look at NAS100 and US30. As you guys know how we're doing it here at Newtonfx Academy always. So, as you guys can see, I did have some previous analysts on this pair, gang, but I want to start from clean charts just to show you guys what I can basically see on S100. So I will start off on my weekly time frame so you guys can understand the weekly perspective and what I can see, what is basically going on in this market. We can see that price is in a downwards from this reason, right? We can see we did violating this previous structure, higher lows right there, right? This is going to be an area for us, right, where price can easily bounce from and then continue all the way to the upside, right? But we have to keep this in mind that this is our area of support, right? This is our area of support. So I will mark this reason right now, gang, right here as my high weekly higher low, and this is my higher high, right? So, and what you guys could see that price did run all the way to this reason right here, right? We can also use a Fibonacci now from this higher low point to this high structure point to right there into the market. We can see our 618 is basically respected, right? So now we as traders, we must wait for proper confirmation, right? Even even the simple structure setup that you guys most likely will see on excuse me, on NAS100 is the basic and common patterns like double bottoms, right? That is the main structure that NASDAQ most likely show us on our daily and 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. That is a good indication for market direction change. So if we scale down to our daily time frame, right, gang, we can see that our daily structure was violated, right? So we can mark this reason right here as our daily this way, yeah. We can mark this reason here as our daily. This was our previous daily high or low, but we can see that we have a break of structure, right? This candle right here, right? This bullish hammer candle right here is a great indication for us that price can easily now change direction and continue on to the upside. We can see price did spike into this strong area of support, right? But now we can see price is basically still coming to the downside to retest this reason again. So what I most likely love to see is once price spike into a particular reason. That's a great indication that there can be a possible reversal in the opposite direction. So if we scale up to a 4 hour time frame right now, gang, is that we can see that our sentiment is still all the way to the downside, right? We have strong selling pressure, but this reason right here, if price can come and test this reason here again and create a double bottom, gang, we can most likely see upwards momentum to the upside, right? This is an area, significant area that I will most likely target once I saw price creating a double bottom. That's an indication that price can easily continue to the upside, right? For some form of retracement. Reason for that is, gang, you didn't see any basically strong retracements on any time frames. We only see strong bearish moves to the downside here on our daily time frame, as you guys could see, right? So what I most likely would love to see is that if price can form and create a double bottom, for price to come for retracement, right? And then we can still expect some downwards move, right? Because why? Price cannot just run all the way to the upside, right? One thing that you guys can see, right? After when price break out of this reason, right, we do have this impulsive move here to the upside, and you guys can see price basically create the same move. So this is like a mirroring effect that price is basically showing us, right? So now we can expect price to retrace back to give us some formation move like this, right? But only in a reversal. So this move will only look like more like this when come for retracement, then price can possibly make his way to the upside, gang. So the game and the rule is to wait now for price to showing us that it want to change direction. And if price don't want to don't want to change direction, guys, you must just trade what you see into the market, right? This is my forecast on NAS100. If price respect this reason right here and create the double bottom, gang, with a strong uh bullish 4 hour candle, that's going to be a great indication right there. If you scale down now to your 1 hour time frame, no people did basically buy into the market, right? And one thing that we can see as well, right, if we draw a trend line from this lower high point to this lower low point right here, again, we can see that we already have a trend break out of this previous structure, right? We can also see that how price is basically coming to the downside. It basically coming down in a it basically coming down in a descending corrective formation. That's a sign for us that price is basically losing momentum for to going to the downside, right? But the best is just to wait for price to showing us cleaner direction before you will execute this trading, right? So guys, this is it for this pair. Let's jump into US30. Right, so I'm gonna start off with my weekly time frame as well, gang, so you guys can see. Oh, let's just jump to monthly quickly. Okay, gang, so what you guys could see on our monthly time frame here at US30, right? Price is now at our monthly lows, right? We can see that price didn't actually come for a monthly retracement. This is our significant previous structure or area of support, right? That price did break out of and now it's going to become an area of support, right? So gang, this was our last, right? This was our last retracement, right? Price was just in this bullish sentiment to the upside, gang. So on our monthly time frame, we can see that price can easily still come to the downside and come and test this reason, right? For a potential retracement. But as you guys can see, this is a new here and price didn't actually come for any retracements yet. So gang, let's just see right here, right? So if price retraces back into this reason here, right? What is this reason? Around 3,000. 30,000, right? Around 30,000. That is also an area of interest for us because, right, this is higher lows right there, gang. So price can still reverse on our monthly time frame and come and test these reasons, right? But that is going to be a crash, right? It's only going to be a reversal. It's not going to be a crash. Everybody just thinking the market is crashing, right? So what we can also see on my weekly time frame is that price did actually showing us that it going to change direction, right? Because right price basically starting to move in a ascending corrective formation. It's a sign that the price is basically slowing down and showing us that we will most likely now continue with this move to the upside. And what we can also see is that price did create this equal highs right there, right? Price did showing us that. So for significant shells on our bigger time frames, gang, is to wait for price to break out of this monthly. This is a monthly area of support. If price can break out of this monthly area of support, right, create a slower low because right then it will be a structure break on my monthly time frame as well and also on my weekly time frame, and that's going to be a sign for us the price can easily change direction to the upside. So if we scale down to our daily time frame now, is that, gang, you can see that price didn't actually show you any retracement phases yet. It was just plain strong, very smooth. And as you guys noticed by now, the mirroring effect, it was the same here, right? The same as how price was going to the upside right here. It's the same how price is basically going to the downside, right? So now, gang, if you guys want to still sell, you guys must keep in mind that we are trading now in a strong area of support, right? We can see that we have a daily candle spike into this region, right? So, gang, if our daily candle can at least close under this area of support, we can most likely expect some continuation to the downside, right? But I will be patient with this market right now, guys. So let the market show you and give you the right opportunity to take a trading position. If you're in a rush right now to take a trading position, gang, you just gonna lose money, right? So let the players show you what they're basically trying to do in this market. Right here you can see it's just terrible structure, because why price was just dropping right really hard, right? So you can actually see clean structure, right? You can see here we have like a V formation right there, and it's a sign for potential reversal, right? Because right, as you guys can see, this bullish engulfing candle, it did actually engulf three of our 4 hour candles, right? And that is a sign that, okay, this is a basically a significant strong area where we can expect some bias and some buy orders, right? So if we scale down to our 1 hour time frame now, gang, is that we can still see that price did run back into this highs right here, and we can see that we have equal highs, price respected, bias was getting into the market, and the oil was just stopped out again, right? So that is why I told you guys this is going to be a patient market. Let the price show you first, right? I will basically trying to turn my bias once we're starting to break out of this area here at 30 35 30, let's say 34,600, right? 34,600. Then I will basically look for buys, right? But for now, gang, the market is not clean, right? It's not clear structure, right? You can be like scalping in and zooming in to get the trade, but gang, that is not how you basically will make money. The best traders is always the traders who's waiting for the right opportunity to play out, right? That is why I told you guys I will be patient with this market. This is not a tradable market for me at all. I don't know about you, but I will not trade this market at all. I will wait, gang. So this is it for this video, gang. I hope you guys get some value out of this video. And if you're new to the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification, gang. And you can check out my free Telegram group. I send out there sometimes free market insight. But if you want to join my exclusive and my mentorship program, gang, you can just check this links in the description box down below. It's your boy King GK, and I'm signing out.